What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add an FAQ or frequently asked questions section on your WordPress website. So the first thing is you need to install a plugin in order to do so. So go to the menu on the left here, go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and then in the search here search for FAQ. And you can search here for or view the different FAQ plugins. So here I'm gonna go with the Ultimate FAQ accordion plugin. Install now. Okay, once it's installed, go and activate it. And once it's active, go ahead and go back to your main dashboard or just refresh the page. And then here you'll see the plugin menu. This should be here. So I have two since I have installed another FAQ plugin before. So this is the menu for the Ultimate FAQ. Now you need to go to add new here and then add the question here. So is this a website? Okay, question mark, and in the main content here say yes, for example. So this is the answer. And you can continue to like edit this page as it is. And once you're done, just go ahead and publish, and this is one question. And you can repeat these steps as many times as you want. So let's publish this for now. Okay, publishing. And now it's published. Let's view the FAQ. Okay, so this is like a question. And you can go back and repeat these steps as many times as you want. Now let's go back to our main dashboard here, and let's go to pages. Let's click on add new page, and let's edit it with Elementor. Of course you need Elementor installed if you haven't installed it already. And here you want to search for FAQ and just add the plugin that allows you in this page to display FAQ. Of course you can edit the page or name it to the FAQ page and all of that. So if I drag and drop this widget here, I can edit these tabs to like show the FAQs.